This 4G dashcam with a 10-inch rearview mirror and Android 8.1 OS offers a range of features aimed at enhancing driving safety and convenience. Android 8.1 OS. This system is powered by a quad-core processor with 2GB RAM and 32GB ROM, making it 50% faster than older Android 5.1 versions. This speed boost improves performance and ensures smooth operation. 9.66-inch ultra-large IPS touchscreen. The nearly 10-inch screen provides a clear, wide view with easy touch controls for navigation and other operations. Simultaneous video and menu display. You can record video while accessing other functions, offering more multitasking flexibility. Camera quality. The front camera records at 720p, while the back camera offers full HD 1080p resolution. This ensures high-quality video footage for driving and parking assistance. ADAS Advanced Driver Assistance Systems includes safety features like lane departure and collision warnings to help prevent accidents. 4G connectivity. With a 4G SIM card, you can access the internet directly from the dashcam and remotely monitor the car via a mobile app. GPS navigation. Both online and offline navigation options are available, supporting popular services like Google Maps, Waze, Sigic, Yandex, and Navital. Bluetooth functionality. You can use Bluetooth for hands-free calls or file transfers, allowing you to transfer music or other data from your smartphone to the dashcam. This device offers an all-in-one solution for driving assistance, recording, navigation, and connectivity, ideal for enhancing safety and convenience on the road.